Welcome to the Vigilance Elementary program. We are so excited that you're interested in our class, and we're here to tell you a little more about it.
Yeah, and we think that this class is designed to give a fun way for parents and children to interact as they learn these lessons of history, and that we think is really kind of fun, and we make it easy for you to do these activities with your children.
Yeah, especially because one of the things that we noticed as we were creating this program is we got a lot of feedback from families who were really struggling to figure out, how do I get all of my kids involved? I've got a kindergartner, I've got a fifth grader. How do I teach them to their individual needs while still keeping the homeschool experience what it's designed to be, which is families learning together? And so our program is designed to help you as a parent know how to teach your kids of any age level and to keep their education going as a group.
Yeah, so as elementary, we have the two programs. We have the early U.S. Elementary program and the 20th century U.S. elementary program. And these classes are designed so you can teach them to your whole family, all the elementary students. And then if you have older secondary students, they can take the senior vigilance class that corresponds with that, and your whole family is studying similar things together.
We have a lot of feedback from parents who have kids that do this, and then they sit around at the dinner table and have really great discussions about the same topics, and everyone in the family can participate, which is our goal.
Yeah, so how does it work? Well, the class relies on the History of Us book that you'll see listed there that we encourage you to obtain and use. And those are the readings that you can do. There's lots of fun stories and examples in there. The reading in there is really good history that you can read with your child. But then we've come in and we've designed activities for you to do and extra learning beyond that that helps your child understand those things better. So in there's activities that have common household items. You know, these aren't hard things to get. Some of them are
toothpicks, marshmallows.
Yeah, some of them are web page stuff too. If there's a virtual field trip of places to go, that you can go in with very little preparation and do 2 or 3 or 4 of these, as many as 4 of these a week with your child. That helps ingrain and helps them explore their creativity and helps them express what they're learning and helps them, you know, go through some of the same processes the people of history were going through and explore the history stuff that they're learning.
Yeah, the activities are designed to be as interactive as possible so that your kids are up and doing things so that they're not complaining about how bored they are. We want them to be up and exploring the world around them.
And in there is examples and help about how you can adapt it from younger children to older children. And there's even extra things for some of the older children to go through.
Now, if you are considering this program, we do strongly encourage you to also look at our Vigilance Literacy program, which is relatively new. That class includes a more in-depth study of reading and writing and is catered to each grade level a little bit more specifically, since there are specific needs for different groups. You don't necessarily want to spend time teaching your 5th grader how to write a sentence when your kindergartner is really just trying to learn the alphabet. So we've designed that one to be a little bit more specific, but to work very well in tandem with the Vigilance Elementary program as well. So we strongly encourage you to look at that one as well.
So taking the elementary program together with the literacy program will give your kid the history, English, and writing, as well as the reading, spelling, grammar, all those things into one type package that you can help cater to all your family needs.